Let's continue to the second part of managing the passenger file or the trip file and start the accounting with the customers. First of all, I want to issue Proforma invoice for the two services with the amount that they should pay me. So when here I have receipt, it's for the refunds, and INV is for the invoice or Proforma invoice. So I press INV. I will receive Proforma invoice, the name of the first passenger, I can choose. Then I can see the details of the two services. To issue the invoice, I press on create, but let's do it with service details and design B, create. So you can see the Proforma invoice with the details. Proforma invoice with number for the details. Here I have flight, hotel. This is the details, the amounts and the total amount. If you want just to show the hotel and the flight, you can back to invoice and print without show details, just in this way. Now, if you want, you can see the current estimated balance is minus 2,680. That means that the customers owe me this amount. So how can I credit this amount? By issuing a receipt. So when the customer comes to pay me, let's assume that Danny will pay me 1,000 USD. So I choose cash 1,000 USD, add, then create. So I can see that now the current estimated balance is 1,680 USD because I credit 1,000 USD. And let's assume that Hamza will pay me the total amount. It's 1,680. Let's assume it will be a bank transfer with this reference number, and I press add, then create. Let's see how the receipt look like. The number of the receipt, the details, the bank account, of course, the account that Docket number 36, and this is the amount that he pays me. So now you can see the balance. The estimated balance is 0, and the accounting balance is 2,680. Why? Because I credited the Docket with this two receipts, but I didn't debit it. How can I debit it? By issuing the payment voucher and the tax invoice for my income. How can I do that? By right click on each service. I can issue close voucher. So now the system will give me two documents. The first one is voucher for 1,470 for TBO holidays. This is the amount that I should pay to the system, or already I paid, and the tax invoice for my revenue, just for my revenue. So it's 280 totally, and I have VAT, this number, and the amount before the VAT is this number. Now you can see the accounting balance is 930. Now, when I press on the flight to issue the voucher, I can see that the amount is 0, and I have two vouchers. The first one is two documents. The first one is 840 for the Emirates airline, and TXI 90 USD is for my revenue tax invoice for income markup 0 VAT, and it's 0 VAT. So this I can export with a report or all the tax invoices in a specific period to the accountant. And in this way, I can see that I already finished everything. I had my money, and I issued the document to debit the Docket. and the Proforma invoice. To see how much the sales in this docket, I can see quick access from here. Double click, I can see the markup include VAT was 280. This amount was for the VAT. This amount remains to me. The markup zero VAT was 90, and I still with 90. The profit was 370. I paid VAT this number, and this amount remained to me. The sales as well was 2,680. That's it.